Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we have another Delco Delco T400 A-Track player. Now this goes by a few million different model numbers because it was used in a few million different types of cars. But underneath the model number, it's a Delco T400. This one has been converted for use with a modern reproduction radio. When you have a conversion done on your radio or you buy a reproduction radio, you're going to get the most output if you rewire your speaker system and upgrade your speakers. Which your speaker system is originally common ground, which will not work with the repro radio if you want the extra output power. So since the speaker system needs to be isolated ground, and this is designed to work into a common ground speaker system, it just won't work. The 8-track player needs to be converted for optimum performance to the repro radio. To do that, I replace the motor and the speed control board, and then I also install my own special preamp, which is right here. Now, one thing I'll say is this unit was sent without the front bra, and I caution all my customers to remove stuff that's not needed, stuff that can only get damaged in shipping and is not required. It is okay to leave the front bra on. Just don't send it attached to a big old huge piece of decorative metal like I get some units in. That will significantly increase the return shipping cost. So at any rate, I don't know the gain of this customer's reproduction radio, so the preamp output is adjustable. You've got two tiny adjustments right there. They are 15 turns, so it'll take actually more than one full turn to really get much difference in output volume. But if it's too loud for your radio, or if it blows you out of the seat when you plug in a tape, all you gotta do is just turn down these preamp outputs a little bit to your own liking. So let's go ahead and test this unit. It's a really short, sweet test because there's no radio circuit. There's just want to make sure it plays through my test system and switches tracks. So here we go. Got some Neil Sedaka. And we'll make sure we're getting output on both sides. And change tracks. Okay, you're hearing those test tones. As I've explained on previous videos, I sometimes run test signals through a tape, and it will actually get recorded onto the tape. Okay, so that's it. They're just as much a test on a reproduction on an 8-track that's converted for use with a converted or reproduction radio. The volume, tone, and balance controls no longer have effect because all that's done at the radio now. The only button that still works on the 8-track will be the program change button. So with that, I'm out of here. I'm ready to do my next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, I'm your guy if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use that you need repaired. And my number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. This is not a number to call looking for a part or a belt. Nobody sells them. Nobody has them. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.